Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've been busy on my other channels and on my business, so I'm sorry. I apologize. I haven't uploaded recently, but today I'm gonna make a logo uh, for a basic logo for a company. Well, you can classify this as a professional design because it will require a lot of imagination. So let's get started. It's basically gonna be a logo inside a circle, and I'm not gonna edit or I'm not gonna make this video edited because I want to show you the real deal, how I make my design. So I'm not gonna edit this or pause it, so that way you can see how I actually design my logo. So I'm gonna make a copy here. As you saw me drag another circle, a smaller one, and I'm gonna cut it into, just made a rectangle, and I'm gonna trim. Just pick on the rectangle, then click shift on your keyboard, and then pick the circle, and you will see this little squares here. Just choose the one that says trim, and that should take care of it. Now change the color, it doesn't matter. So basically I'm gonna do a design for a city. Let's pretend that I'm gonna make a logo for a city. So let's choose the green, and then pick, you know what, actually let's skip it. Oh, actually I need to change it. So let's pick the half circle and choose the circle, the full circle, the blue one, and then trim. Get rid of that. All right, so let's type in Colorado, and then Springs. If you don't know, Colorado, it's a state, and Springs, it's Colorado Spring, it's a city, and it's a nice, beautiful place. So let's break this font and choose different types, okay? So let's get one that's a little fancy. I think this one will do. All right, so we're gonna separate this and go to effects, actually arrange, break apart. All right, now let's make this bigger. Drag a line, make sure it's the same height, and then stretch this one too. All right, so that way you kind of get an idea what I'm trying to do here. And I'm gonna group this together. All right, now let's add some contour to the font, and I'm gonna drag it here. Go to Windows. Actually, it's already here, but let me show you where you can find the contour. Go to Window, Dockers, and Contour. And then you will see the list here. You can just leave it here. It will be saved there for the next time you open the Corel Draw software. So just click and you will see. Now this one is the very first one. It will be inside contour. We're gonna do outside contour, so make sure you choose the right side, okay? Let's see. Oh no, wait, it's too big. Okay, now let's make this into probably 14. 14 should be good, okay? Yeah, it is good. Now, what we're gonna do is go to arrange and break the contour. And we're gonna turn the black contour into the same color of the circle, okay? So now let's make this smaller. And then we're gonna group together. All right, now center. All right, that should be good. Now spring, let's use a different font. Spring, I want to do this one. All right, and then highlight the whole thing, then click C for center. That should be good. Now let's draw some mountains here, okay? Double click. Okay, let's get rid of some. There are too many dots. And make another one here. All right, now that looks more like a mountain. All right, now let's add some light. Let's make a vizier. Zoom in. Let's do 400, okay. Now we're just gonna make some lights here. Okay, let's turn this white. Actually, let's get rid of that. Kind of like the boomerang. Let's do this one. And let's do more here. All right, it's taking shape. Highlight the circle, click center. Then we're gonna make a boundary. Arrange, shaping, boundary. Make this blue. Back. We can basically turn this into any color. So yeah, there you have it. Make sure you give me a like and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video.